Welcome back, traders. Today we're going to be talking about the 4-bar play and how to identify it and when to enter and exit. So a 4-bar play consists of 4 bars. So first you do have a nice engulfing candle. Okay. So once I see this, I'm looking for another inside bar so I can get some continuation after. Okay. So you will get a nice inside bar here, just like this, that doesn't break this resistance. So you will have a nice resistance line here. So as you can see, it is making a higher low, and then you will have a third bar doing the same thing, creating another inside bar, okay, making a higher low again. And the thing to look for is that these bars cannot retrace more than 50%. So if this bar goes below it, there's a less probability that this will continue. But if something retraces to about 50%, I think that, in my opinion, that it will continue. So ideally, you don't want these bars to go below 50%, but you do want them making higher lows. So for the fourth bar, you are looking for a break above this resistance, okay? So for this fourth bar, you are looking for a break above this resistance, okay? So this fourth bar can start anywhere. What you're looking for is the break, okay? So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-bar play. If you want to measure what this move would be, I would just take the measurement of this engulfing bar and put it up there, and you should get price target because it is going to be about the same size. It won't be perfect, but it'll be about the same size. Again, you do not want these two inside bars breaking this 50% retracement level, and it is completely okay if they wick under it. That's okay. If you're just having wicks going under it, that is okay as long as the body ends up above the 50%. You can see even this bar have a nice giant wick at the bottom, but again, it's okay as long as we break this resistance level, which will be your nice entry point right here. You can enter earlier, but what I like to do is I like to wait for this break to get in. So now we're going to go ahead and look at a live one here. I do see square creating a 4-bar play that already played out. Okay, so let's just go ahead and measure it like we did up top. And as you see, nice engulfing bar showing a little sign of weakness, but you do see that these two are making a higher low and that we have a nice wick at the bottom that did cross this 50% retracement level, but the body ended up above. It's not going to look perfect. It's not always going to look like this, but you can see that it's still respecting the 50% retracement level. And so now I'm looking for a break higher. So my entry point would have been at this break of this third candle, or you could have got in at the break of the body of the first candle. So playing it out like this is how you identify a 4-bar play. After you see a nice big engulfing candle, now you look for some inside bars because buyers are building up just so they can break this resistance and you can play on the way up and catch the move. So the 4-bar play can occur on any time frame, the daily, the 8-hour, 4-hour, even the 30-minute, the 5-minute. It just needs to fit these requirements. The two inside bars cannot break the 50% retracement. It's okay if it wicks below, but as long as the body's on top, and whenever you want to get in on the fourth bar, just wait for the break of this, either the third bar resistance or the body of the first bar's resistance. Always, always, always wait for a nice entry. That is the point of trading, to catch the move. But you don't just want to get in, you want to plan and execute. That's how you do it. You have to snipe your entry and exits, get out, collect your profits, find the next move. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.